Uttar Pradesh has been awarded the first prize in the third National Water Awards in the Best State category. NSO forecasts India's GDP 9.2% for financial year 2021 to 2022. India and five other nations began Sea Dragon 22 exercise with US in the Pacific Ocean. Jayant Ghoshal wrote a book named Mamta Beyond 2021. Delhi Electricity Regulatory Commission has been awarded the Scotch Silver in Power and Energy category. Assam government tie up with National Dairy Development Board to boost 10 lakh liters of milk through 6 new milk processing units in 7 years. Sports Ministry's Mission Olympic Cell approved inclusion of alpine skiing athlete Mohammad Arif Khan in target Olympic podium scheme tops. China's Three Gorge University Intelligent Manufacturing Innovation Technology Center built factory robot that can read 96% human mind. Danushka Gunthilka, a Sri Lankan cricketer, announced retirement from tests. World's Food Programme ties up with Akshay Patra Foundation to enhance food safety and hygiene products. Assam's Governor Jagdish Mukhi inaugurated 9th edition of the North-East Festival on 7 January 2022. Khadi and Village Industries Commission Chairman Vinay Kumar Saxena rolls out country's first mobile honey processing van at village Sirora in Ghaziabad. Philippines bans child marriage. V.K. Bhavra has been appointed as new Punjab Police Chief. Guru Gobind Singh Jayanti observed on 9 January 2022. Kuwait's Haytham Al Ghais has been appointed Secretary General of Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries (OPEC). Vijay Paul has been reappointed as Chairman of CACP Commission for Agricultural Costs and Prices. Pravasi Bharat Divas is observed on 9 January every year. Ashwini Vaishnaw, Minister of Railways, flagged off the Jan Shatabdi Express train connecting the state Manipur with Tripura via Assam. National Health Mission launches Project Nirmay in Assam. NASA deploys world's most powerful telescope in space. Justice Aisha Malik became Pakistan's first woman Supreme Court judge. Telangana became first in the highest number of open defecation free under the Swachh Bharat Mission Gramin Phase 2 program. Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade is organizing Startup India Innovation Week from 10 January to 16 January 2022. Prime Minister Narendra Modi announced 26 December as Veer Bal Divas. India's first indigenous aircraft carrier Vikrant began sea trials. Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank appoints ex-RBI Governor Urjit Patel as Vice President. Bharat Subramaniam became India's 73rd chess grandmaster. World Hindi Day observed on 10 January every year. Government restored Foreign Contribution Regulation Act license of JNU, DU, IIT Delhi, Ramakrishna Mission and other 70 NGOs. UP government declared a 4 villages Bhawanipur, Tedia, Dhakia and Bichia as revenue villages. Rafael Nadal beats Maxime Cressy to win Melbourne title. Rohan Bopanna and Rajkumar Ramanathan won Adelaide International Doubles Trophy of Tennis in Australia. Indian government has extended Navrang Saini's term as Chief of Insolvency and Bankruptcy Board of India till March 5, 2022. SBI EcoWrap predicted 9.5% GDP for financial year 2022. Sri Lanka launched luxury train service with the help of a line of credit offered by India. Oh Young-soo won South Korea's first Golden Globe Award for his role in Netflix series Squid Game. Will Smith won his first Golden Globes Award for King Richard. Legends League Cricket LLC has appointed cricketer Jhulan Goswami as an ambassador. Actress Harshali Malhotra has been awarded the 12th Bharat Ratna Dr. Ambedkar Award 2022. Chandrasekhar Patil, noted Kannada literature, passes away. 11 January 2022 marked as 56th death anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Renew by appointed actor Rajkumar Rao as its first brand ambassador. Kewadia railway station has been renamed as Ekta Nagar railway station in Gujarat. Tata Group will replace Vivo as IPL's title sponsor from 2023. Odisha government extended maternity leave benefits from 90 days to 180 days. European Parliament President David Sassoli passes away. India successfully test fired a novel variant of BrahMos cruise missile. India and Korea to conclude the upgradation of bilateral comprehensive economic partnership agreement. World Bank forecast India's GDP as 8.3% for 2022. UNESCO's World Heritage Center agreed to publish Hindi description of India's World Heritage sites on its website. DRDO successfully tested man-portable anti-tank guided missile. 12 January is observed as National Youth Day every year. 25th National Youth Festival was inaugurated by PM Modi in Puducherry. Daniel Ortega became new president of Nicaraguan. Mission Amanat was launched by Railway Protection Force. South African all-rounder Chris Morris retires from all forms of cricket. Kochi became the first city with water metro project. Sarbananda Sonowal, Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush inaugurates Assam's first sports university at Chabua in Dibrugarh district. India holds 83rd rank in Henley Passport Index. S. Somnath has been appointed as Chief of ISRO for 3 years. Australian wine brand Jacob's Creek has appointed cricketer Mithali Raj as a brand ambassador. Subhash Sarkar, Minister of State for Education, virtually launched Swachh Vidyalaya Puraskar for 2021-22. ISRO successfully conducted tests of cryogenic engine Vikas for Gaganyaan human space program. Adani Group signed an MOU with South Korea's POSCO to develop steel mill at Mundra, Gujarat with the investment of $5 billion. Ali Khan Samilo has become the Prime Minister of Kazakhstan. India State of Forest Report 2021 prepared by Forest Survey of India released by Bhupendra Yadav, Minister for Environment, Forest and Climate Change. Itara Davis has become MD and CEO of Ujjivan Small Finance Bank. Malayalam poet S. Ramesan passes away. Armed Forces Veterans Day is observed on 14 January every year since 2017. David Bennett from US became the first person in the world to get a heart transplant from a genetically modified pig. Fisheries Startup Grand Challenge was launched by Department of Fisheries with Startup India jointly. Miss Vinisha Umashankar from Tamil Nadu has been selected as baton bearer for 16th Queen's Baton Relay. UK's Prince Andrew, son of Queen Elizabeth II, renounces royal patronages and military titles. India and Japan undertake maritime partnership exercise in Bay of Bengal. Indian ships are Shivalik and Kadmat, and Japan ships are Urga and Hirado. India granted $900 million loan to Sri Lanka to build up its depleted foreign reserves and for food imports. Philippines approved purchase of Indo-Russian joint venture BrahMos cruise missile worth Rs 374.9 million. Axis Bank partners with Minasku Pay for seamless net banking experiences. Reliance Industries Limited signed an MOU with Gujarat government to invest 5.95 lakh crore in green energy. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited Bhopal inaugurated Unsung Heroes of Freedom Struggle under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. HDFC Bank has been adjudged Best Private Bank in India at the Global Private Banking Awards 2021. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan launched the country's first ever national security policy on 14 January 2022. Olympic medal winning sprinter Dion Lendor passes away in a car accident. Paytm Payments Bank becomes most preferred UPI beneficiary bank in India. Indian Super League Odisha FC appointed Kino Garcia as interim head coach. K.P. Arvindan took charge as Admiral Superintendent of Naval Dockyard. The Indian Railways has announced to redesignate the post of train guard as train manager. Indian government mandated minimum 6 airbags in motor vehicles that can carry up to 8 passengers. 20th Dhaka International Film Festival begins on 15 January. Bilateral trade between India and China crossed $125 billion in 2021. Indian Army introduced a light and more climate-friendly combat uniform for Army personnel on Army Day. Tiruvalluvar Day is observed in Tamil Nadu on 15 January. Republic Day celebration will begin every year from 23rd January. 18th Kachai Lemon Festival concludes in Manipur on 14 January 2022 and the theme was Organic Kachai Lemon for Safety, Environment and Rural Transformation. 74th Indian Army Day celebrates on 15 January 2022.